This is it. This is where the signal came from. That child. In hollow boring machine Mark III Gretel.
We need the proxy to lead the search. Grace, describe the boring machine.
Hardworking and capable and cute. Just like Sweet Pea was when she was little.
Nobody has a clue what you're talking about.
Okay, to put it in words the average human can understand, it's a machine responsible for excavating tunnels. To work faster, it's also equipped with a demolition saw used to tear down buildings. I thought the little thing would become more efficient after the update. I never thought she'd run off.
Who even told you to do such an unnecessary update? It's more annoying than my laptop's constant updates.
You never talked like this when you were a kid. You used to be so cute when you were little.
But it's normal to go through a rebellious phase growing up, right? Maybe the boring machine has just gotten a few rebellious ideas in its head.
No, I won't allow it.
Huh?
I won't allow my cute children to become unruly, rebellious beasts. Midnight drag racing, deliberately scratching up their bodies, putting on massive stickers that are extremely difficult to clean, trying prohibited ether fuel mixtures, even imitating the old civilization cartoons, and trying to merge with other machines!
Whoa. Having listened to your description, I wish I could see that.
Don't push your buttons, Proxy.
Proxy, we have to find it quickly. I just hope it isn't too late.
Detecting heavy machinery signal. Syncing location data.
The target signal is still active. It's currently... Huh? What's it doing?
Let's go take a look. Wanna help me test this? Yeah. Stand still.
Hey, you don't have a permit!
You can't handle this! Things are getting hot!
Valve status analyzed. The valve opens. This lock is not...
It's crunch time! Ha-ha! Straight to the Earth's core!
Perfectly lined up. Perfect timing. Have a couple more.
Hey, you don't have a permit!
Your foundation ain't solid!
Wanna help me test this?
This is on!
Come on, bro! Don't stop now! Huh.
Here we go! Don't blink! You'll miss me dashing you into the ground!
You gotta dig deeper!
Okay.
Here we go! Watch out!
A crucial strike! You gotta dig deeper! Going down!
It's a three-pronged approach. Commence demolition! Here we go! Stand still! Right. Take this. Industrial explosives. You know what to do, right? In hindsight, I should have packed more. Machine. Kiddo's just up ahead. How should we approach it?
Scanning suitable exploration routes. Please bypass the current area.
Your foundation is solid!
Don't push too hard.
Here we go!
Children need lots of rest. Here we go! Every effort counts!
Syncing area info.
Proxy, is this really a good path to take?
Apologies. We had no other choice. There's a safe zone up ahead. Go there. Yeah, we're safe. For now.
Now then, how do we get out of here? I have an idea.
What's that?
All right, everybody, cover your ears and stand aside.
Using explosives to blast your way out? You idiot!
Calm down, everything's fine. Besides, look, aren't we right by our target?
Just don't be so reckless next time.
Don't come any closer. This area is me and my lover.
Why can I hear a girl's voice? Up there!
So it's you! The bad guys who tried to break up me and Mr. White!
Oh, it's only been a couple of days, and yet our child has become a fabulous young lady.
Just take it easy now, Grace. But who's Mr. White? Another machine? It's not that rundown building it's on, is it?
Don't insult Mr. White! I've made up my mind! I'm staying here with Mr. White! You take back what you said!
To protect its loved one, the boring machine, it somehow awakened this amazing power.
Now's not the time for fangirling. Focus on dealing with it.
Crucial strike!
Ready?
You great evil monsters! How dare you hit a lady so hard!
Come on, everyone!
Oh, this little one is so cute! I'll just explode!
Uh-oh! The fighting attracted some ethereals!
You dare jump on Mr. White! Get your filthy hands off of him! Get away! You filth! Stop being so rude or I'll...
I told you not to touch him! You moldy turds just don't understand, do you?
She's like a different person!
Just unbelievable! Is this the power of a girl in love?
What kind of love power allows the use of an ether-electric hybrid 1400 kilogram demolition saw?
Wait, Miss Boring Machine! That way is...
I'm so sorry, Mr. White! I got too excited! Mr. White! Hang in there, Mr. White!
The impact just now. It cut through the load-bearing wall.
I killed Mr. White! It's all my fault!
No, don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. In fact, I should congratulate you.
Huh?
Now, wait just a minute, Grace. Think about what you're saying.
Oh no! Grace might know everything about machinery, but she's single as hell! She knows nothing about love!
Lift up your head and look around. Mr. White is hugging you. Every building can only give one hug in its lifetime. He gave his to you. And he even drove off the ethereals. What a gentle building. You have good taste. Don't be discouraged. We won't let you say goodbye to him just like that. Here, come back with us. Let's work together to rebuild Mr. White on new land.